आज मैं प्रियांशु गोस्वामी,
मैं सुमित पांडे
और मैं अनुष्का तिवारी
राष्ट्रीय अंतरिक्ष दिवस के अवसर पर आप सभी के समक्ष उपस्थित हैं। आज 23 अगस्त है, जिसे यह पूरा भारत अंतरिक्ष दिवस के रूप में मनाता है। लेकिन क्या आपको पता है कि यह आज के दिन क्यों मनाया जाता है? क्या कोई हमें बता सकता है? आपकी जानकारी के लिए बता दें कि पिछले वर्ष आज ही के दिन चंद्रयान 3 भारत की सतह से उठकर चंद्रमा की ओर अग्रसर हुआ था।
हमारे प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी ने कहा कि चंद्रयान 3 की सफलता को चिन्हित करने के लिए भारत 23 अगस्त को राष्ट्र के रूप में मनाएगा। बता दें, भारत के चंद्रयान 3 ने चंद्रमा के दक्षिणी सॉफ्ट लैंडिंग पर इतिहास रच दिया है। इसी के साथ भारत चंद्रमा के दक्षिणी ध्रुव पर लैंडिंग करने वाला दुनिया का पहला देश बन गया है।
साथ ही प्रधानमंत्री ने घोषणा की थी कि चंद्रयान 3 के लैंडर विक्रम की लैंडिंग वाली जगह को शिव शक्ति के नाम से जाना जाएगा। इसके अलावा उन्होंने चंद्रयान 2 की क्रैश लैंडिंग साइट का नाम तिरंगा पॉइंट रखने का ऐलान किया। बता दें कि चंद्रयान 2 का अनुवर्ती मतलब फॉलो-अप मिशन है। इसका प्राथमिक उद्देश्य चंद्रमा की सतह पर सुरक्षित और सॉफ्ट लैंडिंग का प्रदर्शन करना है। गौरतलब है कि 2008 में भारत के पहले चंद्र मिशन चंद्रयान 1 ने परिक्रमा करते हुए सबसे पहले चंद्रमा पर पानी मौजूद होने के साक्ष्यों का पता लगाया। बता दें कि इसरो ने 2008 में पहला, जुलाई 2019 में दूसरा और जुलाई 2023 में चंद्रयान 3 के रूप में तीसरा चंद्र मिशन लॉन्च किया।
हमारा ब्रह्मांड इतना विशाल है जहां हम एक तिनके की भांति निवास करते हैं। इस पूरे ब्रह्मांड को खोजना हमारे बस की बात नहीं, पर तब भी हम मानव हैं, जिसकी यही खासियत है कि वह जिज्ञासु है और कण कण को खोज निकालने का जज्बा रखता है। इसी जिज्ञासावश हम धीरे धीरे कण कण में पहुंच रहे हैं और इसका पहला कदम चांद की ओर है। चंद्रयान 1, 2 और 3 इस मंजिल तक पहुंचने की सीढ़ियां हैं और आज इन्हीं सीढ़ियों की चर्चा हम यहाँ विस्तार में करेंगे। Chandrayaan 1, ISRO's first moon mission, has left a glorious legacy. In 1999, the Indian Academy of Sciences initiated an idea of undertaking an Indian scientific mission to moon. A National Lunar Mission Task Force was constituted by ISRO. Therefore, the ISRO successfully launched Chandrayaan 1 on 22nd October 2008 from Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh. On 14 November 2008, the Moon Impact Probe separated from Chandrayaan orbit at 1436 UTC and struck the South Pole in controlled manner, thus making the fourth country to place the flag on Moon. Chandrayaan 1 is India's first mission on Moon, launched by India's National Space Agency. It was a major boost to India's space program. Chandrayaan 1 spacecraft was based on an Indian meteorological satellite called Kalpana satellite. It was about the size of a refrigerator with a drying weight without fuel of about 560 kgs. Chandrayaan 1 was an impact mission with the estimated cost of Rs 386 crores. The part of the Chandrayaan that crashed on the moon was the impact probe known as Chandra's Altitudinal Composition Explorer. The mass spectrometer of Chandrayaan 1 took images of moon in every 4 seconds. The location of impact was the Shackleton crater and the point of impact was the Jawahar point. An orbiter installed with the NASA's instrument Moon Meteorology Mapper MG analyzed the lunar soil when the moon impact probe crashed and landed on Moon. After this analysis, it was confirmed about the presence of water molecules in the moon's soil. Also, the mission successfully detected the presence of titanium, calcium, aluminium and magnesium on Moon and took a number of high-resolution images of the moon's surface from a height. While the mission encountered issues with its communication system in August 2009, leading to its premature end, it had already accomplished its primary goals and provided valuable scientific data. So despite the communication failure, Chandrayaan 1 is considered a major success for ISRO and for lunar exploration. This paved the way for us towards the mission of Chandrayaan 2. Now, I I would invite Sumit to continue the program by sharing the details of Chandrayaan 2. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. Today we gather to celebrate one of the most ambitious and significant achievement in space exploration, India's Chandrayaan 2 mission, launched by the Indian Space Research Organization (ISRO). This mission marks a monumental step in our journey to explore the lunar surface and beyond. After the groundbreaking success of Chandrayaan 1, which provided critical insights into a presence of water molecules on the moon, ISRO embarked on Chandrayaan 2 to further investigate and understand the moon's surface. Launched on July 22, 2019, Chandrayaan 2 was designed with an array of scientific objectives and technical advancement to enhance our knowledge of our celestial neighbor. On July 22, 2019, the Chandrayaan 2 mission was successfully launched aboard the GSLV Mk-3 rocket from the Satish Dhawan Space Center, Andhra Pradesh. The launch was flawless and the spacecraft entered Earth's orbit before executing a series of maneuvers to place itself into a translunar trajectory. The orbiter, the primary component of the mission, was equipped with 8 state-of-the-art scientific instruments. Its objectives include high-resolution mapping, creating detailed maps of the lunar surface, including the South Pole region, which had not been extensively explored, surface composition analysis, and lunar atmosphere studies. The orbiter successfully entered lunar orbit on August 20, 2019 and began transmitting data back to Earth. Its high-resolution imagery and data have provided valuable insight into the moon's topography, surface composition, and potential water ice deposits, advancing our scientific understanding significantly. One of the most anticipated moments of the mission was the soft landing of the Vikram lander on September 6, 2019. Unfortunately, during the final stages of the descent, the Vikram lander experienced a deviation from its intended trajectory. As a result, communication was lost just moments before the planned landing, and the lander did not achieve a soft landing on the lunar surface. Government named the crash landing point of Chandrayaan 2 as the Tiranga point. Despite this setback, the Vikram lander and Pragyan rover were able to perform several pre-landing operations and successfully deploy scientific instruments that were later analyzed by the orbiter. Chandrayaan 2 has cemented India's position as a leading spacefaring nation and has laid a solid foundation for future lunar exploration missions. This mission's success in advancing our understanding of the moon demonstrates the innovative spirit and technical prowess of ISRO. The lesson learned from Chandrayaan 2 will be invaluable for upcoming missions, including Chandrayaan 3, which aims to build upon the experiences of Chandrayaan 2 and achieve a successful soft landing on the lunar surface. In conclusion, while every space mission involves challenges and setbacks, Chandrayaan 2 exemplifies resilience and scientific curiosity. It represents India's unwavering commitment to exploring the unknown and pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. As we look forward to the next step in lunar exploration, let us celebrate the accomplishment of Chandrayaan 2 and the promising future of space exploration with Chandrayaan. शशि के पटल पर चल रहा प्रज्ञान मंद मंद है, शशि के पटल पर चल रहा प्रज्ञान मंद मंद है, ध्रुव दक्षिण पर ढूंढता क्या क्या छिपाया जन्म है। आहार है प्रमोद है, मधुमास का मकरंद है, धरा पर गर्व मन रहा, अंतरिक्ष में आनंद है, अंतरिक्ष में आनंद है। With this, now I would like to call Anushka Tiwari for share the details on Chandrayaan 3. Thank you.
As you can see from the name Chandrayaan 3, the number 3 indicates that it is the third lunar exploration mission by the Indian Space Research Organization (ISRO). Chandrayaan 3 is the name of the spacecraft. It was launched on July 14, 2023 at 2:35 p.m. afternoon Indian Standard Time from the Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh, India. The entire spacecraft consists of 3 parts: a lander named Vikram, a rover named Pragyan, and a propulsion module. And this entire space vehicle. The name of the launch vehicle is LVM-3. It is a three-stage medium-lift launch vehicle developed by ISRO. It is designed to launch communication satellites and spacecraft into geostationary orbit. Chandrayaan-3 is the third mission in the Chandrayaan program, a series of lunar exploration missions developed by the Indian Space Research Organisation (ISRO). The distance of the moon from the Earth is 384,400 kilometers, which can typically be covered in just 4 days. However, the Chandrayaan-3 mission takes approximately 40 to 42 days due to a cost-effective approach of sending the spacecraft into deep space by utilizing the Earth's rotation. This approach makes it one of the most economical missions in the world. The Chandrayaan-3 will orbit the Earth 5 times before being prepared for the Moon in its 6th orbit. This process takes approximately 16 days as the spacecraft gathers the necessary velocity to break free from the Earth's gravitational pull. After completing the 5th round, it starts its journey towards the Moon. Likewise, Chandrayaan-3 will orbit the Moon 4 times, gradually reducing its distance with each orbit. Upon reaching this point, the lander will separate from the propulsional module and adjust its orbit to approach its closest 30 km to the lunar surface. Then the lander will initiate soft landing procedures to safely land on the Moon surface. The rover named Pragyan has a rectangular chassis and is equipped with a 6-wheel rocker bogie wheel drive assembly. It features navigation cameras and a solar panel capable of generation of 50 watts of power. Its primary objective is to conduct on-site chemical analysis of the lunar surface as it roams around the highlands near the Moon South Pole. The rover was specifically analyzed elements such as magnesium, aluminium, silicon, potassium, calcium, titanium and iron on the Moon surface. Chandrayaan-3 is a significant achievement for India's space program